Ой. Ой. Ой, что? Ой, что? Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. But as you can see, I'm not working my truck today. I'm actually out and I found some little road over here, so I'm just exploring it and just getting a little bit dirty. So hopefully it's all gonna be alright. I know I always say that, but I don't always say that. This doesn't look like something crazy over here, but I'm just gonna drive around carefully and then hopefully you guys gonna see the video of me driving around. And look at this, guys. I think it got a little bit dirty, but this is a pretty nice spot I found over here. I'm having a lot of fun today. I'm having a lot of fun. It's a beautiful weather. I still don't have the skid plates or anything, so I'm taking it careful, but you know, I'm gonna add the video in the end, so hopefully you guys gonna like it as well. So, and for now I'm just gonna continue driving. Alright guys, I had a lot of fun on this trail. The sun is kind of getting down soon, and to be honest, I've never been there. Don't want to go too far out. I don't know what's there yet. I should have brought my drone, but today I really didn't plan to go off-roading today over there. So I don't have my drone and I don't have any kind of backup anyways. So I'm gonna be wrapping up, just gonna be going back now to civilization, and I'm sure I'm gonna be coming back to this spot again. I really like this spot. It's not too extreme, but it's fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you might find it helpful, and until next time, everybody, bye.
Much later.
Alright, and I'm back at my house. So I know I did not air down my tires, so probably if I did that, I probably would not spin my tires in mud that much. And first of all, in the beginning I was driving on just two-wheel drive. I just wanted to have some fun in that, and then I switched to four-wheel drive, and basically no problem. I got out from that wet ground. We actually had heavy rains for the past 2 days, almost floods in a lot of places, so the ground condition was very bad. But anyways, I hope you guys gonna enjoy this little video of this. I'm gonna try to put everything together of me driving there, and yeah. But now I'm just gonna wash it. Of course you have to wash your truck, so now I'm just gonna pressure wash it, leave it clean, and we'll continue next day. Alright guys, and I washed it all, so now it's good and clean. Just look how much dirt was there. So it's always important to wash your rig after going on any adventure. So now it's all clean and it's all good. Alright.